Guys, as we mentioned in our previous video, we're back with the second part of the Untold Story of Wildlife. And thank you for your continued support to our channel Save Wildlife. So, with that said, let's roll the intro. In our most recent video, we showed the harsh and unforgiving part of the human world, showing how people can be truly cruel and ruthless. We showed how humans can harm animals and nature for entertaining purposes. We looked to get people to thought about the moral consequences of such activities and their impact on the planet's well-being. However, many humans understand the consequences of destroying nature and work to protect it by planting trees, avoiding unnecessary waste, participating in wildlife conservation efforts, choosing eco-friendly products and practices to reduce the environmental impact, and educating others about the importance of nature conservation. Our planet is steadily improving with each passing day by minimizing unwanted harm to animals and reducing the destruction of the environment. We contribute to the restoration of ecological balance and biodiversity by collectively reducing activities such as overhunting, deforestation, and pollution. This positive transition improves our planet's overall health, enabling a more sustainable and harmonious ecosystem for both wildlife and humans. It highlights the critical role that every individual plays in ensuring a better future by maintaining the delicate balance of our ecosystems and honoring the inherent worth of all living forms. In the face of rising environmental threats, we have to work together to rescue and safeguard nature. Our immediate attention is required to the intricate web of ecosystems, various species, and the fragile balance of our planet's resources. This paper emphasizes the importance of environmental preservation and urges for collective action to achieve a sustainable and peaceful environment. Preserving nature is a responsibility we owe to future generations, not a choice. We can together contribute to the restoration and protection of our planet's natural treasures by adopting sustainable practices, supporting conservation programs, and campaigning for policies that prioritize the environment. It is time for us to take on the role of Earth Guardians, ensuring that the beauty and diversity of nature be preserved for the next generation. Thank you all for joining us at the conclusion of this video. We've had a great time creating and sharing this content with you guys. Your continued support means a lot to us. And if you missed the first part, you can find the link in the description below. Until then, save the world, and protect wildlife.